Good morning, Shobra.
Hi, good morning.
And so this is our first episode. We are yet to name this episode. What should we call it?
No worries.
Fireside Chat with Shobra.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Hi everyone. Shobra is from our Malaysia office, and she is into account excellence. And let's start.
Go ahead.
So Shobra, why don't you introduce yourself first?
Okay, sure. As like what you have mentioned, so I'm from Malaysia. Okay, I've been with LogiNext for the past 3 years now. Soon 4. Okay, soon 4. And yeah, mother of 2. And in LogiNext itself, I'm working as a key account manager that overseeing APAC accounts.
Perfect. And how has been your journey with LogiNext till now?
Journey. It has been very enriching, okay, fulfilling, all right, and of course very thrilling, okay. So all in one, okay, and it has been very I would say talking about experience and stuff like that working here, right. First of all, it's also like with the team of members. I mean, it's the first time that I work with an Indian company. Okay, I've used to only work with only Malaysian companies. So, culture-wise, only the first 3 months, okay, that I just need to set up, okay, myself to actually blend in with the team. So overall, okay, like I mentioned, it is a very enriching experience.
All right, and like you mentioned, this was the first time you have worked with an Indian company. So
Indian and also SaaS company.
all right. So what was that thought process when you heard about LogiNext and when you decided that no, I want to go there and I want to work with a startup?
Okay, all right, cool. So, being first time in SaaS, right? Okay, from the previous industry that I was in, okay, in facilities management and also oil and gas, now to SaaS, okay, it is a major shift, okay, in a good way, okay. It is actually in an excellent way. It was a major shift, but it is. How to say, apart from that, okay, I do believe that, LogiNext, when I heard about it for the first time, okay, I thought this company can like change the world, okay, in a way, change the world. How? By the, with all the products that we have, like route optimization and all that, helping industries, okay, helping different industries to actually accelerate and also help them with their deliveries and also, even from first mile up to the last mile kind of thing. So, I am hanging on, okay, to that belief, okay, that by being part of the company, it's also part of like making the world a better place. So yeah.
Nice. We all know that internally we all call you a burger queen.
Okay.
So what's that story behind that name?
Okay, so what story behind that name? Okay, so probably because I first handle McDonald's Malaysia. Okay, that is the first account that is actually that came under my purview. And being located in Malaysia, I think there's an advantage for me to actually really help our McDonald's Malaysia as to grow. Okay, and at the same time to assist them being physically there. Okay. And of course, being McDonald's Malaysia also is our first success story, okay, that we have had that actually somehow expanded to some other regions, okay. So I believe that's why helping them to deliver burger on time, okay, or even faster than what they used to be. I think that is why, and I used to do this monthly meeting review and stuff like that, right? So we do calculate, we do like measure for them, like how many burgers are delivered on time and stuff like that. So probably that's where Burger Queen is actually coming in.
All right, super. What are those 2 things that make clients happy?
2 things that make client happy. It's easier. I think the first thing, it's always about you hurt them. It's like being an account manager, okay, at my capacity, you solve their problems, okay, you listen to what they are actually asking for, right? I think that's the very first and fundamental whenever you want to help your client to grow. Right. The thing is, you just need to know. Okay, whenever they tell you, hey, Shobra, we may need this customization, or probably we need, how can we actually accelerate from here onwards? Okay, because of course things keep changing and stuff like that. So it's very important to have that problem solving skill as well. to be able to help your customer. Yeah, so that actually make them happy when you listen to them, okay, you understood their problem and you solve their problem. Yeah.
Awesome. Two things you think an account manager must have in the SaaS industry.
Must have. Okay. I think SaaS industry itself, talking about the product itself, right? I mean, regardless what product, okay, being in SaaS industry, first of all, you need to have that grasp of the product itself, right? Meaning to say that you need to know what you are doing, how the product can be mapped into the actual client's use cases, okay? That's number one, okay? And the second thing is that always there, like, you can't be like back off whenever things happen between you and the client. The accountability, okay? So that's important.
Good. Any advice that you would want to give to aspiring account managers to ace their career?
To ace the career, okay. Actually, I'm very, very happy to be here, okay? And I hope that positivity, okay, positivity, being a positive person, that's number one, okay? You I mean, you can't let problems or even like the difficult customer to actually put you down, okay? That's the first thing, okay? You would need to have that positivity, okay? And the second thing is that I do believe that as an account manager as well, okay, I think that's relate to my first point earlier, which is also that accountability must be there, right? Because that's how the client can reach out to you and they trust you, okay? When they trust you, it comes along with the brand, right? So they trust the brand, that they know that you can do your things well, and at the same time also they trust the product. You make them trust the product better. Yeah.
Tell us two best things about LogiNext.
Okay, yes, so the first one is the people, okay? I love working with everyone, okay? And everyone has their own, skill set and doing their best at their own field, okay? So everyone in LogiNext has actually inspired me to even do more, do better, okay? With what I'm currently doing in my capacity. But I believe the rest of everyone, okay, actually is at their best performance as well. And of course, everyone is so accommodative, especially I'm being outsiders, not from India, so everybody has been very helpful so far. So I love working with everyone. And the second thing is, of course, the product itself. Yes, that is what everyone believes in, and I believe, I'm a strong believer as well, okay, of the product and how it can help people.
All right, and the final question for today.
Yeah.
So you have been here since a week now in Mumbai.
Yes.
And so how is Mumbai treating you?
How is Mumbai treating you? The thing is, I am again very happy within this Chandi Valley, Powai area, okay? I don't have even to explore out, okay? And also I think Gat Kopar area, right, where this office is. So I don't have to, everything is here, okay? Everything is available here, food, eat, drinks, okay? And of course, I have extremely, super colleagues, okay? That has been actually bringing me around and taking care of me. So I am blessed.
Right. So thank you for doing this, Shobra. And it was really great fun. We shall do it more often.
Sure,
yeah?
Of course,
right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, guys.